Oh my gosh, it's done. You can order on Amazon right now. Just make sure that you get the 2023 edition. It's got this red label here that says free bonuses. You can get it right now. The Kindle version is available, the paperback version is available, and the Audible will be available shortly. Look, here's what other people are saying about the book. Few can rival Wendy's knowledge and experience with lease options and subject twos. This is a must read for beginning and advanced investors and the real estate agents who serve them. From Gary Keller, the founder of Keller Williams. Wendy Patton and her book changed thousands of lives when it was originally released. Now, the newest version is an answer to investors' prayers. This book is insanely creative. So proud to call her a friend. Pace Morby, guys. This guy is the big wig for subject twos. Oh my gosh, look what Joe McCall said. He's an expert on lease options. I owe much of my success in real estate to Wendy Patton. This was the first book I bought on creative real estate over 15 years ago. I remember getting so excited about how simple and powerful lease options are. Her book, programs, mentorship, and friendship over the years have helped me do hundreds of deals and make millions of dollars. I'm so glad she is updating this book, even though I'm wondering why it was even needed to be updated. It was so good. So read this book right now. Don't put it off. Then take massive, decisive action and go implement what you learn. Jim ate a lot. He is a dear friend and the lease option coach. With great care and attention, Wendy Patton takes you through the process, required steps, what to look for, pitfalls, and insights into the process of orchestrating creative financing deals using subject to, lease option, and lease purchase strategies. Anybody, including the brand new, never done a deal beginner or seasoned veteran in the real estate space, will glean a ton from this book. Here you go. Use that QR code, guys. Go right to Amazon and get your copy today. I really appreciate it. It's been an amazing journey, and I loved updating this book for 2023. So please go get your book right away.